fuck going on? It's your boy Trey, and I'm back again with another video, but we already at another takeover, you know what I'm saying? Just like this here. Alright. They trying to trap me like I'm goddamn crazy. I'm about to flip the camera.
That's what we do! That's what we do! That's what we talk about! Hey, hard head!
Back on the Malibu. Get out the pit. Man, that nigga here in every corner of the parking lot. Huh? Oh shit! Nah, they chasing that nigga. They chasing that nigga. Here, J5. Get that shit.
We boxed him in. They boxed him in, they got his ass. He smacked the car. No.
What you do? He ripped.
He just ripped, they got his ass. Oh, that car right there hanging out the window, they gonna get pulled over too. Look, 1200, yeah.
It's like, boy, I'm gonna tell y'all the truth, man. You can't escape reality. You cannot escape reality. I'm gonna tell y'all the truth, man. I messed up bad, dog. I messed up real bad. I hate to end this video like this, dog, cause this ain't okay. If y'all think so, this ain't got nothing to do with any of the other videos that I be posting. This ain't got nothing to do with that. I promise you it don't. It was just a regular night. As y'all can hear, if y'all can hear, it's raining outside. You feel me? So it's, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. We just gotta bounce back. That's all it is, man. I'm gonna when we get to the lot where it's at, I'm gonna show y'all. I know y'all don't know what I'm talking about, but I'm gonna show y'all, man. All right, we done showed up to the impound lot where my baby at. I'm gonna let y'all see in a little minute.
Might hit too.
Got that boy Peanut with me. He ain't get. Oh yeah, there go my baby right there. Oh, they fucked her up, dog.
That back, I ain't see that.
They fucked her up.
I ain't see that.
Yeah, that back one ain't like that. Hold up, y'all. I'm about to flip that. I'm finna flip the camera, man. Damn, they fucked my baby up. Oh shit. Hell yeah. Okay, I didn't do that. I definitely ain't do that. But rest of my shit. Go ahead up here, man. Let y'all see the whip. This is my whip, y'all. This the 8, y'all. This the 8. I'm glad I'm safe, y'all. For real, man. Look at my car, man. Shit.
Look at that window.
Man, what?
Oh man, my life thought I ever see some shit like that.
Come on, bro. Let's go ahead and get started. Damn, man.
Damn.
My shit fucked. Damn, boy. Hold up, man. Let me get this shit together. What the hell? The battery disconnected or something?
Radio,
Hold up, man. I gotta get these. All right, y'all. We just finished getting everything up out the car, man. I'm gonna say one last goodbye to the Silverback. I don't know what happened, y'all. I don't know what happened right here. Y'all see who shit that was, man. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. We're gonna run this shit up all 2024, man. And 2025 and here on out. Y'all hear me? Damn. Brand new trail. I don't even know how this happened, bro. I don't know how this shit happened, bro.
Damn, I tried to move that, bro.
Damn, man. Look at this.
Close it down.
Nah, that shit over with, dog.
Your ass
RP 2023, man. Damn, a little, did my plate come up? It was right here, wasn't it? Right here? Where it was? My little plate. My last call plate.
That bitch was right here.
Oh, yeah, that bitch gone.
Yeah, that bitch probably at the West End.
At the scene.
Yeah.
I might go see. Goddamn. If it's there, I'm gonna go look. I'm gonna get it. If it's at the scene, I'm gonna get my shit. Let me see the hood pop.
Yeah.
Oh shit, that bitch came up. That bitch ain't coming up no further. Hold up. Pull it. Yeah, that bitch ain't going. Fuck, man.
Why don't you can get that motherfucker?
Yeah, that bitch gone. It was right here. It was right here. I'm gonna take that bitch with me.
What is it?
Charger.
Damn. What the fuck that was?
Right in the middle.
Damn.
Right there.
Damn. You did good.
I did good for, you know. Damn, bro.
This metal shit right here didn't block nothing but go into the fucking roof.
I want to do that. Need my other key. I'm talking for the insurance company. Need that. Damn, y'all. Y'all just don't know, man. I feel all types of ways about this one right here, man. I feel all types of ways about this one. This a loss I can't even take, bro. I'm gonna be for real. Damn, I miss my baby. I've been without my baby about 3-4 days now, man. My shit gone. We're gonna get y'all another good look on the front, man. Fuck. That bitch hit a pole, y'all. I'm gonna put a picture in there so y'all can see what I hit. Man, and I'm gonna tell y'all, I'm gonna give y'all the story time too. I'm gonna give y'all the story time too of how this shit happened, man. This shit crazy. But yeah, this the end of the video. I'm gonna holler at y'all boy later. Hopefully next time y'all see me, I'm in a new whip, or you know what I'm saying, I'm doing something. You know what I'm saying, something. I'm doing something.
One of those or one of those over there.
But yo, it's all good though. I'ma holler at y'all boy. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Oh, hello, this a SS? We not supposed to look at these folk car, but damn, them folk don't fuck that motherfucker up. Hell yeah. But yeah, we gonna holler at y'all boy later, man. Peace. Hell yeah, that motherfucker alright, bro. You know what I'm saying? Still in good condition. You feel me? Just wipe that out real quick. You feel me? Hell yeah, that bitch still good. Run, dry, all that shit, bro. You want it?
I like to get money, bitty, you know my whole damn gang, no rich fuck. Try like spin, 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 how much I got, I don't give a fuck.